Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will know that how to fix Microsoft Store error encountered when you install any application from Microsoft Store. You sometime get this error. So how to fix it? We will know that step by step in this video. So guys, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe the channel. Here you can find more video related to fix for Windows 7, Windows 10, Windows 11 and other software. So let's start the video. So guys, right click on task bar and click here task manager. Click here more details, and after that guys click here file and click here run new task, and type here service.msc same as it is. Check this checkbox and click here OK button. After that guys, Microsoft Store install service find here in this list. Okay, start this service. If this service is stopped, restart it. This service should be running here. After that guys, background intelligent transfer service. If this service is stopped, start it. Click on it and then click here start button. After that guys, find here Windows Update. This service should be running here. Restart it. After that, find here Update Orchestra service. Right click on it and start it this service. Now close this window. Now we are going for next method. After that guys, set up here your date or time. Your Windows date or time should be correct here. Adjust date or time. Set here time zone according your country. Okay. According your country. New Delhi. And after that, set time automatically off and on. Your date or time should be correct here. Okay, on your Windows. Now we are going for next method. Right click on taskbar and task manager and click here file run new task, and after that guys, type here under box wreset.exe. Check this checkbox and click here OK button. Okay. Now check your problem is fixed or not. Install any application on your Windows and check your problem is fixed or not. So guys, no error is displayed here. You can see here. So guys, no error message displayed here. After that, if your problem is not fixed here, we are going for next method. So guys, if your problem is not fixed, we are going for next method. Right click on start button. After that, click here settings. And after that guys, find here apps, this option, and click on it. And after that click here apps and features, and find here in this list Microsoft Store. Okay, you can see here, click on it. After that guys, click here advanced option, scroll down, and you can see here some options are displayed here. Click terminate option, and after that click here repair, and after that click here reset. And now close this window and restart your machine. And after that guys, check your problem is fixed or not. If your problem is fixed, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you so much.